Good day from the Great White North. This is Freaky P, the Crazy Canuck. Okay, so, while I was recording, I accidentally hit the stop recording button, so, anyways, I didn't notice till it was too late. But anyhow, long story short, I did get the BCU cracker. We built our power up, got the BCU cracker. Anyhow, I don't have footage for it, sorry. I thought I would have, but no. We also boosted up a bit of our ammo, as you can see. First off, let's look here, make sure everything's okay. We need fuel. Oh, no, sorry. How about here? Sorry. Thought we may need fuel. Okay, and we got only 8 fuel left. But we have the BCU cracker built, so all we have to concentrate on right now is ammo. As you can see, though, no more ammo casing except for one. Not very much gunpowder. So, but we got a little bit of everything. We got pistol. We got, actually, you know what? Let's move some of this stuff down. It's annoying. Okay, here we go. Put that there, put that there, put that there. Alright. So we got pistol ammo. We got 44 ammo. We got rifle ammo. We got shotgun ammo. But I still want more because this is not enough to take on 3 bases. We need more. So that's the goal for today. Is, well, actually, if we can. You know what? We have it. Let's, at least we can get the ammo casing going. Why not? Now, unfortunately, it's not going to make that much. We all know that. So, hopefully, we will find a lot of ammo. Also, as you can see, I did a lot of repairs and what have you. But that's pretty much it. I really didn't do anything more than just boosting up power so I could get, be able to create more ammo and build the BCU cracker. So today is just the search for ammo. And that's, oh, well, fuel too. I'll take that too. Not going to complain about that, that's for sure. Alright, well, let's see what else is around. You know, nah, I don't need wood that much. We got enough fibers to make enough cordage, so, you know what? I also don't need that. Holy shit, they're really pouring it on. Because we pretty much got enough wood for now. And don't get me wrong, we could build arrows. And that wouldn't be too bad, but really what we need is real ammo. Bullets. Bullets, ladies and gentlemen, things to take animal and hunters down. Okay, where's Bessie there? I like Bessie better. Okay, we don't see nothing. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's go this way. Fibers, nope. Oh, rabbit. Nah, you only give cloth. Ooh. Wait, what's this? Scrap? Yeah, scrap. You, fibers, yes. Well, there's a crate here, so we're gonna get that. Unfortunately, though, it's medicinal, which means odds are against us. Sometimes it happens, though. As you can see, there's nails, so. Okay, so, avoid the wolves as well. Ooh, crate, anymore? No, okay. Let's go get this one. Why do I have a weird feeling like, I don't know, I'm getting a feeling that there's hunters, rogues. I don't know why, I just getting this weird feeling that for some odd reason there's oh. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Is he following me? No, okay. Where's that crate? I mean, there's one here, but was that it? I don't think this one was it. I don't think this was the crate I was looking for. Don't get me wrong, it did look like a building crate, but it didn't look like it was there. I guess it was. Oh well. C'est la vie. C'est la vie. Okay, we got some medicinal right here there. I want to grab that. This is just fiber, right? Yep. But I believe this is berries. No, more fiber. Damn. Ooh, shit. Whoa, look how fast that boy's walking. That's ridiculous. Ooh. 2 of them. 2 ammo crates. Oh, thank you. That feels good. Not good enough. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate the gunpowder, because we need it. Hell, we even got some ammo. Oh, rifle and pistol. Got some carrot down here. Let's go get that. Alright. Ooh. Fiber. More fiber, right? Yep. Just taking a quick look. I'm not seeing anything. I see a wolf. I see a bear. I see headaches. I'm going to try to avoid. Don't want to add any unwanted stress in my life. A lot of scrap metal today. Ah, what'd I tell you, rogues? What the hell did I tell you? I had a feeling. I had a feeling. Alright, let's see what's around. I saw some medicinal here. Oh, there's a crate. Shit. Let's, there they are right there. Why isn't the bear going after them? He walked like really close to them. I'm a little curious about that. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Just in case. Actually, I'll have the apple too. Ooh, there's a crate. God damn. They're trying to lure me in because there's no one right there. No, I don't want to crouch. I want to see if they're coming at me. Look at all the scrap metal. There's another one right to the right. Oh, damn. That's good. See, there's one right there. And there's scrap metal. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shit. We got a bear here somewhere we got to worry about, too. Oh, the bastard's coming. He's coming. Damn, that's great right there. Is it? It definitely looks like one. This guy's brave. He's ballsy, I'll say that. God, I'm in the mood. If I do that, and that's that's a hell of a lot of trouble that you don't want. Oh, he's on this side of the river, that's why. Look at him, he's zigzagging. See that? I'm not sure if he's alone or not. It looks like it. I don't see anybody else. Oh, yeah, there's his buddy. Right there. See him walk away in a second there? There he goes. Oh, he just bent back over. Okay, you know what? Let's try something. Yeah, not worth it. I'm not going to take any chances. No way. Alright, so I didn't want to do that. I don't enjoy sacrificing loot, but yeah, I don't want to take no stupid chances. Alright, well, we're not going to go any further that way. That's just suicide. You know what? Might as well pick up the fiber. Screw that. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, there's a wolf. Okay. Damn, there's another wolf. Okay, what's with the wolves today? Oh, is that a crate I see? Nope, just a plant. For crying out loud. Okay, why didn't he come after me? Confused by that tactic. I would have came after me. Shit. Douchebag. Yeah. We're going this way. Oh, medicinal. Okay, let's go. Alright, we got some fiber. Yeah, might as well. That way we can build some more bricks. You know what? Just to make sure that the fire's going, we're going to go check. Excuse me. And... yeah, not enough. Keep it going. Alright, let's put fuel in there. There we go. Alright, now we're going to go this way. See what we can find besides Alpha and Bravo. At least we know where the rogues are. Mind you, I've seen 2 sets of rogues before, so it could happen. Oop, we got a plant. Wait. I swear I just saw something. Okay. I was wrong. Let's see what we have here. Alright. Oh shit. What's going on? Something's going on. Whoa. That's not me. Holy crap, what's going on? They're at war with somebody. Who? I don't know, but they used up a lot of ammo. So I hope whoever it was worth it. Alright, we're gonna go this way. Oh, really, dudes? Come on. Okay, well. Oh, shit. Okay, well, it's 2 crates. I need them badly. Because I need my ammo, man, or else I can't fight anybody. Okay, let's hope this doesn't backfire on me. Because I'm really close to them. Ooh, there's another crate. Okay, apparently the second half of today is gonna hopefully produce a little better than the first half. Not that the first half didn't produce. It just produced some rogues. Ah, shit. Another crate over there. Way too close to them. Way too damn close. But it's not like we have tons of options here. But we gotta take what we can get. We gotta take what we can find. So, right now what we can find is pretty much this. Hopefully we find more. That is the idea of the game. Find as much as you can to destroy the hunters. But first you gotta find the damn stuff. Oh, ammo crate. Oh, wrong button. Oh, ammo casing, yes. Alright, place it over there. There's a crate there. I just want to see if there's anything here. There's a wolf, I can tell you that much. And he's coming. So we're gonna go this way. Where's that crate? Where was the crate? There it is. Well, that's a friggin' bear, man. I don't know if I want to go take a bear on. Well, no, I don't want to take a bear. I really prefer not to have to do that, but I'm not going to purposely go after one. Wow. There'd be nothing. Alright, what do we got here? My God, there's really nothing. And he keeps circling around that crate, so I'm just going to waste my time around here. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, he's just circling back and forth. I'm not going to waste my time. But we will check out Ortastic. See what she's got. She's got some... you know what? I really don't need anything. I don't need what she's offering. What is it? No, okay. Because what I need, really, in reality, is just ammo. Because I would love to be able to knock out all 3 bases and literally evict one of them from the area permanently. Relocation. Yep, that's right. That's my goal. That would be the ultimate goal. Is not only raid all 3 bases, but destroy one of them as well and force them to relocate. My God, there's nothing around. And the really bad part is we're wasting a lot of time and energy just running around here. Because we already picked up what we can. I really don't need the wood anymore. Yeah, all I need... Oh, shit. Hey, dude. Catch you later. Because I ain't sticking around for you to blow my head off. Okay, that wolf is there, so I don't want to get involved with that. Where the hell did that hunter go? Oh, shit. Forget that plan. I'm just curious right now. Where'd he go? Oh, damn. There he is. Yeah, I think he's a little curious about me, so, yeah, I don't want to stick around. Anyways, everything's had a chance to pretty much respawn, so, on this side anyway, so let's go see if we can find anything else. That would be helpful. Having said that, I haven't checked the low power yet. I should have checked out when I was there. Alright, let's go check it out. How are you doing? Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Nope, that's not gonna work. There we go. But that will. Alright, let's head back out and get some stuff. Nope, don't need you. Give me the good stuff. Not that stuff. Definitely not that stuff. Alright, let's check around. Anything? Anything? Yep, right there. Oh. Oh, for crying out loud. Alright. Well. Oh, saw that. This is gonna have to get done. Alright, come on, dude. Let's get over and done with. Come on. Here we go. No, that was not nice. That was not nice. I wasn't doing that to you. I don't appreciate you trying to do that to me. And that's why you got punished. Ooh, shit. Alright, well, it's more. It's more. Let's grab this. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Alright, well, we got this no matter what. Okay. Ooh. That was good. Ooh, I saw you. Oh, I appreciate that. We got some gunpowder. Very useful. Shit. Oh, you're coming after me. Alright, well, come on. Ooh, great, 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 great. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, let's go. By the way, where's the bear? Damn, I thought it was potatoes or something. I guess not. Oh, we got another crate here. That's cool. But we have a wolf to worry about. Near. Whoa, what the hell was that? Did you just see that rabbit, man? Did he just pop out of nowhere? Alright, where's that crate? There it is. Whoa, that bear went far. Okay, that bear went pretty far pretty fast. Another apple. Thank you so much. You know what? Give me one. Give me an energy bar. There we go. Oh, shit. We are losing energy. Oh, don't you just love it? Every friggin' episode almost. There we go. Oh. Here, dearie, dearie. Here, little dear. Come to Papa. Come on. Come on. Oh, I want to do it so bad. But I need my ammo. I wanted to do that so bad. Damn. Alright, let's reload this. Oh, crates galore. Check it out. Oh. Animals galore. Check it out. Alright, where is he? If I got time, I might be able to do this. Alright, let's grab this. Because we gotta remember, there ain't just these animals to worry about. We got the rogues around us. Yeah, there's at least 2 of them. Right on the side of the creek. Come on, stay over there, dude. Stay over there. And we'll get along just fine. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Thank you, another apple. Holy crap. I feel so lucky today. Alright, you know what? Screw this. Let's not mess around. Alright, so, oh, they're still trying to entice me. Where's the rogues? I don't see them. Oh, there they are. There they are. Where's Bessie? Holy shit, they got another crate down there. This is just a way to get... Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Take it. Alright. We got that. Check it out. Oh, shit. There might even be 3 of them. I see 2. But there might be a possibility of a 3rd back there. I'm not sure. But for now, I'm just going to call it... Oh, there he is. There's the 3rd guy right there. So I was wrong about where he was, but there is a 3rd guy. Is that enough? You know what? Let's not get too greedy. And we still gotta make some zinc, right? I think it's copper going on right now. We gotta make zinc next. I'm a little pissed that, you know, the lock crate's there and we can't get it, but that's just personal preference. It's not absolutely needed. We don't need everything in there. I just heard like a pop or something in my headphone. That's weird. For a second I thought somebody was running or maybe even shooting, but no. That was very weird. Very weird indeed. Oh, is that the lock crate? Yep, that's the lock crate. We don't need it. Really? It just finished. And you're starting it up again. Are you kidding me? Oh shit, where? You know what? We're gonna go back. Screw this. Too many dangers lie ahead. Like I said, it would be nice if we could blow this up with a grenade, because I would just take a grenade and blow it up. So, Cold Games, if you're watching and you hear my voice, could you maybe do that for us? Where we at least can smash it open or something. Hey, I don't care if you make me take as long as it takes to smash through Hunter's base door. I don't care. As long as we can smash it, blow it up, whatever. I'm not fussy. Alright, what else we got around here? I don't think we have anything else. I think that is pretty much it. Sure as hell looks that way. Alright, yeah, it definitely does look that way. I don't think there's anything else waiting for us. It doesn't hurt to try and look. I mean, oh shit. Really? Alright, give me another one. Give me an apple. There you go. I haven't checked up here lately. Sometimes they put crates. It's rare, but it does happen. Not today, though. Not today. Alright, well, in the meantime, screw that. Let's see what else we can do. Damn, sorry. Alright, what do we got in here? Okay, you know what? That's good for now. Let's put you there. Let's take you off. Let's put you up. Get a little bit going there. Add a little fuel. Make sure that power stays up. Okay, we're going to put some of this stuff away. Oh, got quite a bit of ammo casing. That makes Papa happy. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's cook you. Let's render you, because we need to render more fat. I'm going to cook you as well. That's going to be our dinner. Do we got anything here we can put away? Nope. No, we have nothing. Alright, we're going to put this way, this way. We're going to put this. And this. No, not this. Okay, so what do we need? Actually, you know what? I don't need the, yeah, I don't need to rope it right now. And I said we were going to build some bricks. Let's build 2. There we go. Actually, let's put you away. Perfect. Oh, sun's starting to go down, so we'll turn on our light now. Just to make sure we're fine. Okay, you're still going. We're going to eat the apple. Boost ourselves up there. Add the matches, so we're good for 2 extinguishings. Look at the bandages, though. That will not be an issue when we go hunting the hunters. And my power just ran out. What do we got here? It's good enough for now. So let's eat our meat. We're good to go. Let's drink some water. Alright, let's fill her back up. Actually, do we have anything? Because as we've seen before, often we get lucky. Nope, nothing. Okay. Now there's not going to be any fishing today. I mean, we got enough food. That's not an issue right now. The only thing we got to worry about is getting enough ammo just to go take him out. That's pretty much it. We have 6 grenades, so I'm not worried about that. So where is this? Oh, damn, I could have just done it from here. I prefer to have rifle ammo. However, gunshot ammo is pretty damn good. Shotgun, sorry. Ammo's pretty good. It's better for close range, but often that's what we have to do. So, we got 13 rifle plus the 5 in our chambers, so that's pretty good. You know what? I don't need it right now. I don't think I need it right now. I prefer waiting for this. Otherwise, we're just gonna waste time. Anyhow, for now, hello. For now, I think what we're gonna do, instead of using up all our fiber just building bricks, get a little wood. And even then, you know, we could even build some more arrows. Hey, arrows are better than nothing. You can fire them from your base, from behind a tree if you run out of ammo. You know, it's an underrated, weapon and ammunition. But trust me, you sure appreciate it when you do connect and kill. You can't always do it on the first shot though, but hey, it could happen. Don't I have another tree here? Or is it just the 2? I thought there was a third one. Oh well, we got, oh shit, what's this? Oh, you're nothing, right? Yeah, you're nothing. Alright, so this is good news. Alright, in the meantime, we're going to build some sticks. And that's it. This is more than enough. Alright, back to the base we go. I don't want to catch cold out here in this weather. And I really don't get the idea of having a storm like 2 minutes after the last one. I don't know. Usually it still rains. It's like a misty rain, but you know what I mean? It still rains. Okay. How's our power doing? Not bad. Okay. In the meantime, we are going to get some feathers, some nails. Okay, I guess the minimum. And we're going to build some arrows. Et voila. It's not the most, but hey, it did the trick. It adds to our arsenal. I do love the lightning and the sound of the thunder. It matches perfectly like in real life. So I really appreciate that. The attention to detail, perfect. All right, well, our arrows are going up. Oh, we got water here. Hold on. Let's put you here. Let's put you here. You know what? I'm not going to need you soon, so... Actually, I should put you with weapons. There we go. Okay, voila, that's that. Give me this. You're not going to be there for long. That's another thing. Could I use another one? Another splint, that is. Wouldn't hurt. If anything happens, at least I'd have it. And be able to run away. Alright, so we'll build that. Okay, and it's a shame that this isn't ready yet. But when it is, we're definitely building more ammo casings so that we can build, wait a second, more ammo. And after that, we're just going to go after the hunters. Probably in the next episode. But that's only if everything goes good. I'm sorry, not in the next episode, the one after. What we're going to do for the next episode is, we got 2 here. Okay, that's perfect. What I want to do is, let's be honest, they're going to come back after I kill at least one and maybe come and attack the base while I'm gone. So I think what I'll do in the next episode is I'm going to fortify everything. At least on the first floor. So that way, even if they break through this line of defense, they'll still have here. And this will all be upgraded. Because I believe we have enough. Well, we got 25. And let's be honest, when they attack this side, mostly. And then this side. So those are the 2 sides that we'll cover. Hey, if I got extra, I'll cover that side too, just to make sure. Actually, I think I might still cover at least here, so they don't blow up the BC. But sadly, that's all the time we have for this episode. So on that note, thank you guys for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, then smack the like button, lay down your comments, and subscribe if you haven't already to the channel by clicking on channel logo below. And until the next video, this is Freaky P saying good day.